So now I'm going to show to you how to use some of the features of this printer, this HP OfficeJet Pro 6978. So first thing I'm going to show you is if you, let's say like you have different paper size that you want to print your document on, or you want to print your photo on. For example, let's say you have a photo paper that you want to print it on, but as you can see, the tray doesn't have no dedicated photo tray there at all, right? So what you have to do is just put your photo paper, for example, in, or the paper size that you have that can fit in here, and just adjust the paper tray here. So once you do that, then you can just move the tray, close, open, close, for example, to the size of the paper that you put in, and then let's put it in. So once you close it, for example, the printer is going to prompt you with this message there. So by default is the paper that I put there is later, so you will see the size there. But if you don't think that's the size of the paper that you put on inside the tray there, all you have to do is just click on modify. So I'm going to do one more time. I'm going to open the tray, and then I'll close the tray. So once I do that, this prompts me. So all I have to do is tap on modified. So once I tap on modify, then I'll see, like, you see where I say like paper size, I tap on that. So once you tap on paper size, then you know what paper that you put in there. It could be legal, executive, so on, 4x6 for example, which some of the photo papers are 5x7 inches, and so on and so on. So as you can see, all these ones are paper sizes that you can choose as well. Okay, you can even do the envelope and so on. Okay, so I'm not going to select any of those because mine is legal, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to leave it I'm going to leave it later. And the paper type, tap on that. What kind of paper do I put there? Is it just a plain paper? If you put a photo paper there, you have to come to the paper type and tap on photo paper, for example, or which paper type that you put in there. So if you select, if you put photo paper there, you have to select photo paper for the print quality there as well. So I'm going to go back and just select on plain paper, and just click on select on done, and I'm done there, right? So, and then if you want to scan to, let's say I want to scan this paper. This paper has two sides, and I want to scan both sides, right? So what I'm going to do is I select and scan, right? And then if I can select, I can scan to USB. I don't have a USB drive with me here, but if you want as well, you can select on computer. But I haven't connected with the computer yet, so if you select on the USB, you can do it that as well. So I have my USB here. Just went and get one. So I'm going to demonstrate for you. Okay. So the printer have a USB connection there, whereby you can connect the USB thumb drive to there, and then you can scan to it as well as you can print from your USB as well. So I connect my USB, and then the printer the auto detected. So I'm going to put my paper in, and the top filter there detected it. Then I can select and scan to USB. So once that is done, once I select that, so it's going to ask me, I can scan as a PDF file, or better still as a JPEG as well, as a picture file. But in this case, I'm doing the document, so I'm going to leave it to PDF, but you can choose JPEG if you choose to as well. So I'm going to select PDF. So here I can put the paper and the file name there if I want to, and then I can start scanning as well, right? So here is another this is one of the interesting part. How do I want to do this? Do I want to do two-sided scanning or just one-sided scanning? So in this case, I want to do two-sided, auto two-sided I mean. So I'm going to select on. So the auto two-sided is on for me. So I'm going to leave the rest as it is by default. Alright, so once I believe everything's good, and then I select on back button, which is this one here, back, and then I select on start scan. Right, so as you can see now, the document is going inside the printer. Right, you can see one side is done. Right, and then it's taking the print paper back and then scanning the other side for you as well. Okay, printer has already flipped the other side. It's scanning the other side now. The paper is coming out now. See? Okay, so you see, as you can see here, it says scanning page 2, saving page 2, successfully saved to the thumb drive, and the job is done. Okay, so that is it. So if I want to see I don't want to do nothing, so I'm just going to click back. If I want, I can select on the home as well. So basically that is it, and hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.